Have you ever embarked on a health challenge? I decided to try something new. For 1 week, I committed to drinking beetroot and pineapple juice daily. This wasn't about following a fad diet, it was about exploring the potential of these superfoods. I was intrigued by the numerous health benefits attributed to beetroots and pineapples. These natural wonders are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. I wanted to experience these benefits firsthand. The challenge was simple, yet exciting. Every morning I would blend a vibrant concoction of beetroot and pineapple juice. I was curious to see how my body would respond to this daily dose of nutrients. Could this simple routine truly make a difference in my energy levels, digestion, and overall well-being? I was eager to find out. In a world of processed foods and synthetic supplements, it's easy to overlook the power of nature's gifts. Superfoods like beetroots and pineapples offer a potent blend of nutrients that can significantly impact our health. These aren't just fruits and vegetables, they are concentrated sources of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help our bodies thrive. Beetroot, with its deep red hue, signals its richness in antioxidants. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which is linked to various chronic diseases. Pineapple, on the other hand, is a tropical delight brimming with vitamin C, an immune-boosting powerhouse. What makes superfoods even more appealing is their versatility. You can enjoy them in smoothies, juices, salads, or even roasted as a delicious side dish. Incorporating them into our diet is a simple yet effective way to nourish our bodies from the inside out. Modern life is a whirlwind of activity. We're constantly juggling work, family, and social commitments, leaving little time for self-care. This fast-paced lifestyle often leads to stress, poor diet, and inadequate sleep. Our bodies need extra support. This is where superfoods come in. Their rich nutrient profiles can help bridge the gap in our diets. Let's delve into the world of beetroot, a root vegetable known for its health benefits. Its high nitrate content is a standout feature. Our bodies convert nitrates into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps relax and widen blood vessels. This improves blood flow and lowers blood pressure. Beetroot is great for athletes and heart health. It's also rich in fiber, folate, and potassium. Fiber aids digestion, folate supports cell growth, and potassium regulates blood pressure. Enjoy beetroot roasted, juiced, or pickled. It's a delicious way to boost essential nutrients. Section 5. Pineapple, a tropical treasure trove of nutrients. Now let's turn our attention to pineapple, a tropical fruit renowned for its sweet, tangy flavor and impressive nutritional profile. This juicy fruit is a powerhouse of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that strengthens our immune system and protects against cell damage. But pineapple's benefits extend far beyond its vitamin C content. It also contains bromelain, a unique enzyme that aids digestion by breaking down proteins. Bromelain is particularly helpful for people who experience indigestion or bloating. Furthermore, pineapple is a good source of manganese, a mineral that plays a vital role in bone health, wound healing, and metabolism. Whether you enjoy it fresh, grilled, or juiced, pineapple is a refreshing and nutritious addition to any diet. Section 6. The dynamic duo beetroot and pineapple synergy. Beetroot and pineapple together create a powerful synergy, amplifying their health benefits. This duo boosts health comprehensively. Beetroot improves blood flow, enhancing nutrient transport from pineapple. Cells access vitamin C, bromelain, and manganese efficiently. Their antioxidants combat oxidative stress, protecting cells. This synergy reduces chronic disease risk and enhances well-being. Anne's story, a transformation fueled by superfoods. Anne, a busy mother of two, struggled with low energy and fatigue. She felt drained and sluggish. She started drinking beetroot and pineapple juice daily. Within a week, her energy levels soared. She felt more alert and focused. Mornings were no longer plagued by fatigue. Her digestion improved remarkably. Anne's story shows the power of superfoods. Beetroot and pineapple juice transformed her well-being. Section 8. Embrace the power of beetroot and pineapple. Incorporating beetroot and pineapple into your diet doesn't require drastic changes. It's about making simple yet impactful additions to your daily routine. Start by adding a handful of beetroot to your salads or roasting them as a colorful side dish. Indulge in the sweetness of fresh pineapple slices or blend them into smoothies for a refreshing treat. If you're short on time, consider juicing beetroot and pineapple together for a quick and potent dose of nutrients. Experiment with different recipes and find what works best for you. The key is to make these superfoods a regular part of your diet to reap their long-term health benefits. Well-being. Section 10, join the conversation, share your superfood experience. Have you experienced the transformative power of beetroot and pineapple? Share your stories, recipes, and tips in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to embrace a healthier and more vibrant lifestyle. Your journey could be the inspiration someone else needs to unlock the power of superfoods in their own lives.